Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to add Athena to MetaMask manually. This easy guide will help you connect your MetaMask wallet to the Athena network, enabling you to manage your Athena tokens and interact with its ecosystem. Manually adding the network gives you full control and ensures you are connected to the correct blockchain. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes to complete. Before we dive into MetaMask, let's gather the necessary Athena network information. You'll need the network name, which is Athena, the new RPC URL, which is https://rpc, Parthenon, Athenescan, EO, the chain ID, which is 281,123, and the currency symbol, which is ATH. Having these precise details ready is crucial for a smooth setup. Now let's add the custom network in MetaMask. Open your MetaMask wallet and locate the network drop-down menu at the top. Click on it, then select Add Network at the bottom of the list. Choose Custom Networks to bring up the input fields. Carefully enter the network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol we just discussed. Once all fields are filled, click Save to add the Athena network. With the Athena network successfully added, the final step is to import the Athena token itself. Ensure you are switched to the Athena network in MetaMask. Scroll down and click on Import Tokens. Here, you will paste the Athena token contract address, which is 0x21AB3EE. 875,179, D230A5D6, FD 470,171,089,020B, FD0. The token symbol ATH and its decimals will automatically appear. Confirm these details and click Import to see your Athena tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.